All right, so we had these numbers we just put in order. If you have your book, you wrote them in the boxes like this: 6, 7, 10, 15, and 19. And if you are doing this on a piece of paper, then you could have written those numbers there. Let's keep going. If you have a book, flip it over to page 22. And there are 2 left. And if you do not have a book, I'm just going to do mine on this board. So I just made 5 lines. So I want you to follow along by making 5 lines on a piece of paper. Remember, we are putting our numbers in order from least to greatest. So that means the smallest number all the way up to the biggest number. And we're using cards that go from 1 all the way to 20. All right, let's get started. Help me count. We're going to count 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to bring these down below. And I want you to try your best to put these in order all by yourself. And then I will show you what I got. Remember, you can use this number line. So if there are 2 numbers and you're not sure which one goes first, look up here at my number line and see which one comes first on the number line. And you'll know that one is the smaller number. All right, I'm going to write mine down. I want you to do the same. All right, this one has a couple numbers that we had last time too. Now the first number, the smallest number that I wrote down is the number 8. Is that the number that you wrote down? Great job, it's the smallest number. Next comes number 9, then 11, 15, now a 1 and a 1, a 1 and a 5, and then 19, a 1 and a 9. Let me show you mine. I wrote them on these lines. You may have done the same. All right, we have one more to do. Let me get rid of these. Now, what's really cool is if you have a deck of cards at home, you can play this game even after we're all done with our book pages or after you're all done with this video. You can continue to play this at home. You can deal out 5 cards and try your best to put them in order. You could get brothers or sisters or moms, dads, grandmas, whoever's around you. You could have them play with you. All right, let's deal out 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to move them down here. I'm going to make 5 more lines on my board. You can do that with your piece of paper. And I want you to use the number line and put all 5 numbers in order from the smallest number to the biggest number. Do your best to make your numbers the correct way, starting at the top every time. All right, let's see how you did. Did you pick 6? 6 is the smallest number out of this group. All right, what is the next number? It is 10. Did you pick 10? 1 and a 0. All right, now we have some teen numbers. 12, a 1 and a 2. 13, a 1 and a 3. And 18, a 1 and an 8. All right, I'm going to pull up mine and let's see how you did. Check out my numbers: 6, 10, 12, 13, 18. All right, boys and girls, thanks for playing that game with me. You can get out a deck of cards and you can keep playing. Have fun.